Hey guys, welcome. It's your girl Priscilla Manzini here, and I'm back with another video. Thank you so much for joining me. If you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you so much. If you're joining us for the first time, thank you for coming through, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you're notified whenever I upload a video. Right now I just want to bake, so I'm trying out a banana bread. I've asked for recipes from a friend, and I also watched some videos on YouTube. I hope it's gonna turn out really nice. Please join me guys, let's see how it goes. I'm checking out the video one last time before I try out my banana bread.
Or cinnamon.
So these are all my ingredients: my overripe bananas, milk, baking soda, baking powder, sugar, flour, vanilla essence, and my butter. Wish me luck guys, wish me luck. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Here's my banana bread. It looks bent. I'm gonna wait for it to cool down so that I can have a taste. Make my heart beat, need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you. Yo guys, my banana bread tastes so yummy. I'm so proud of myself, even though I overbaked it a bit, but it tastes so yummy. Like, I'm so proud of myself for a first try, for it to turn out like that. But it's so yummy. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, welcome to another day of our vlog. I'm so excited. Look what I got here. A take a lot parcel that I've been waiting for a very long time. So I'm just gonna open it using this knife of mine. You know, Take a Lot will exaggerate things and send you the biggest box, only to find out it's just a small thing that you've ordered. I've ordered this parcel on the 28th of February, and today is the 10th of March, so it took about 10 days for it to arrive. And the expected date was the 15th of what? Of March. Ringlight. Finally it is here, guys. I've been struggling so much to film. Like, I have to make a plan for my phone to stay in place. If you've been watching my videos, you can see I've been complaining a lot about the ring light. There it is. That's how many inch? Oh, it's 26 centimeters. Okay, so the ring light comes with this. It's the phone holder. This is the phone holder, and voila. This ring light cost me 179 rands because I only bought this piece only. I did not include a tripod because I already have a tripod. So if you want the whole thing, it will cost you around 3 something, 4 something, depending on the size that you want. So now I need to invest in a microphone because I've been getting complaints that my voice is too low. So yeah, I need to listen to you guys and invest in a microphone so that I can give you better sound, because there's nothing annoying as watching a video that has a poor sound. So yeah, next time we're gonna get microphone. Please support my channel so that it grows, so that I can get money to improve and get even better cameras, you know. Yeah, please hit the notification bell and the subscription button and join this beautiful family. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow when there's something interesting happening. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Hey guys, welcome to another day of our vlog. I just woke up now. Like, in a glowing skin, Gio. Can you believe this, guys? I'm saying gaze, but I'm glowing already. Okay, so today I'm doing my project that I told you about on my other video. So yeah, right now I want to take a bath and start. I'm not gonna include all the steps in this video. I think I'm gonna make a separate video for the project, because if I include it here, it's gonna be a long video. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you when I'm done how it looks. So if you want to watch, you're gonna watch the other video, but I think this one will go first, so you're gonna watch this one first and then the other one will follow. Wish me luck, guys. I hope this is gonna turn out the way I imagined it, because you know, sometimes it's so easy to imagine something and then when you do it, it's a total different story. So I hope it will turn out very well. Yeah, I'm gonna see you guys when I'm done. It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's not the way you say to my eyes. I know that I can make things clear. I if I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see. Hey guys, welcome, welcome. Namuhla sizikhiphile. We're at this rather nice chilled place. Want to have some shake nyana and something to eat and just chill. So chilled.
Walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away.
How is the shake? Why not to shy? Ah, the way cutting a corn.
Oh.
That's all koto bunye. Ah.
Dirty mind.
Hey guys, we just came back home. We had so much fun. I'm so tired. I want to rest. I have so much exhaustion. Can you see my makeup though? On my wall birthday. I'm so in love.